Hello friends, my name is Arushka and today I'm going to tell you how to make this easy Golgappa. It's a very easy recipe and there are very less ingredients which you will be needing it, and this is very crunchy, very yummy in taste. So let's start making it. So now we have to add 1 cup rava and 1 cup maida. If you want to increase the quantity you can, but both should be same. Then we have to add salt as per taste. Add some water and knead to form a soft dough and cover it with cloth for 1 hour, wet cloth. Now we will be making small pieces of the dough like this, and then we will roll out those pieces into thin chapati or the size whichever you want, and then we will fry them in hot oil. You will see how yummy these are looking. So if you like my video, please click on the like button, subscribe my videos, share my videos, click on the bell icon, comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.